Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Martins app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Martin app positions itself as a high-end AI personal assistant that handles email, text, calendar event, research, and even voice command, making it appealing if you want someone or something to take care of the heavy metal load. It integrates with tools like Slack, phone calls, and WhatsApp, boosts features like proactive task suggestion and personalized workflow support. But the catch is significant. The pricing is steep. Subscription from $35 to nearly $50 in many markets. And the user review highlight bug, login issues, and concern around subscription cancellation. So in my opinion, if you're a busy professional willing to invest and try the concept, Martin is worth using and exploring. Only if you expect a flawless performance or you want a budget-friendly tools, you may want to hold off until it matures. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.